Today I'm going to teach you how to reset your extranet password in booking.com. If you've forgotten your login details or simply need to update your password for security reasons, this straightforward process will get you back into your account quickly. First, open your web browser and navigate to the booking.com extranet login page by typing https://admin.booking.com into the address bar. This is the dedicated portal where property managers and hosts access their account settings and manage their listings. Once the page loads, you'll see the standard login fields asking for your credentials. Just below those login fields, look for the link that says having trouble signing in. Click on it to access the account recovery options. This will bring up a menu with several choices designed to help you regain access to your account. From the options presented, select Forgot Your Password. This specific option is what triggers the password reset process, allowing you to create new login credentials without needing to contact support. Next, you'll be prompted to enter your login name or username associated with your booking.com extranet account. Make sure you enter this information accurately, as it needs to match exactly what's registered in the system. Once you've typed in your username, click the Create New Password button. This sends a password reset request to the email address linked to your account. Now it's time to check your email inbox. Look for a password reset email from booking.com. It should arrive within a few minutes. If you don't see it right away, be sure to check your spam or junk folder, as automated emails sometimes end up there. Open the email when it arrives and locate the reset password link inside. Clicking this link will take you to a secure page where you can set your new password. On this page, you'll need to enter your new password twice to confirm it matches. This double entry system prevents typos and ensures you'll remember the password you've chosen. Finally, click Save or Confirm to complete the process and set your new password. Your credentials are now updated, and you can return to the Booking.com extranet login page to sign in with your new password. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.